Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming access to both accounts. This saves time and avoids interruptions. Open Instagram and go to your profile, then the menu. Once there, tap Settings and Account. Make sure your Gmail is signed in on the device, or you can access it via browser. You do this because Instagram will send a verification email or use Gmail to recover access. Preparing both apps prevents delays and makes the linking step seamless. Next, you actually add Gmail to your Instagram contact info. From Edit Profile, choose Personal Information Settings, then type your Gmail address into the email field and tap Save. Instagram triggers a verification email to that address. Check Gmail and open the message, then click the confirmation link. Once done, Instagram ties notifications, password resets, and security alerts to that Gmail. So you must verify to finally verify inside Instagram that the Gmail address displays under personal information. If the confirmation link expired or didn't arrive, resend it from Instagram and inspect Gmail spam and promotions folders. Sometimes filters hide automated messages. If you still can't verify, try logging out and back in, or use Instagram's Help Center account recovery flow to reset email. If problems persist, temporarily add a secondary email or enable two-factor authentication.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.